Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shippo account rates and zones, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Shippo account. Navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Select Shipping Zones from the drop-down menu. Identify the shipping zone you wish to update. Click on the Edit button next to the selected shipping zone. Adjust the zone name if necessary. Scroll down to the Rates section within the zone. Choose the shipping methods you want to modify or remove. To add a new shipping rate, click on the Add Rate button. Select the appropriate carrier for the new rate. Input the rate details, including the price and estimated delivery time. Review the minimum and maximum weight limits for the rate. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Return to the Shipping Zones section to verify your updates. Repeat these steps for any additional shipping zones or rates you wish to update. Once all changes are made, exit the Settings menu. You have successfully updated your Shippo account rates and zones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.